Hello! So, today we're going to react, well, so we're still in the car, we're going to react to Rainism by Rain, and it was requested by Kim Kardashian, who would have known she was a K-popper.
Cool,
Kim. Cool. We love you.
Okay.
I actually don't like Kim Kardashian.
Whoa.
This is an old, oh, okay, this is an old one. Rains. Drugs. That was... You sure this is the right video? Yeah. We could be writing something else. Well, I can tell Rain apart.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Ouch. Sounds painful. Beautiful eyes.
This is pretty cool.
Scary. Ooh, man, he's cute. People are all... Man, I understand why everyone liked Rain when it was really popular. Oh gosh. Oh.
He's pretty rad.
He's pretty. Oh, look at that old style dance move, man. Oh yeah. Oh. It's like shiny. Hard. What company is he from? This reminds me of something. I like the song. You don't need to be a bad boy, honey.
How do you feel? Make some noise. Make some noise. 피하고 애를 써도 느껴지는 나의 Rainism. Rainism. I make you Rainism. Rainism. 넌 이제 빠져버렸어. I'm gonna be crazy now. It's crazy now. 먼저 벗어날 수 없어. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy. I gotta be a bad boy. I'm gonna be a bad boy.
Wait, why you have Fireboy? The Fireboy apparently is a good boy. Oh.
Right,
It's Suho and Chanyeol. Power of water.
Oh. I was like, where does Chanyeol
It's time to get down.
I know, I bet this came out in 2009. All the good music comes out in 2009. It's true. Wait, what if that's when YouTube started? When was YouTube? Oh, she goes crazy. All these Caucasian people. I like that. Oh! Ah! Don't hang around him. He has problems. Oh, yeah, get in there. Oh, yeah. With your... Wait, does he... He has a...
Hey,
Is that a cane?
I think so.
Okay.
Bring the beat back.
Okay.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Yo, hey.
Put your hands up. This is JD Camp.
Is it a cane or is it an umbrella? No, it's a cane.
Yeah. Yeah. Like we're waving at them.
Hey!
That was, I like that. It's gonna be stuck in my head. Well, I like that song.
Yeah, thanks for the request, Kim Kardashian.
Thank you, Kim. Tell your baby I said she was cute. She should come to the South sometime.